Hello guys, so in this video we will be creating a basic Flask project for our application. I will be referring to my blog, which is studygyan.com. Okay, please refer this blog. All the links will be in description as well as in comment box. So we will be taking all the codes from this website. Okay, so let's create a basic Flask project. So before that, we need to create a virtual environment. So we will be creating a virtual environment for our application. So let's open the folder where we want to keep our project. Okay, and let's create a folder name. So we will be giving it as Flask project. Okay, once we have created this folder, we need to go in this and we need to open the terminal in this. Okay, now what it says, we need to install virtual, we need to create a virtual environment in this. So I always refer to create my virtual environment in my project only. So that's why I have created this folder. So in here I need to type python 3 minus m, okay, and venv and the environment name and hit enter. Okay. So our virtual environment has been created. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to activate it. So source or dot env bin activate. So Windows, it is different, win / scripts activate and hit enter. Okay, now let's install Flask in this virtual environment. So it will be pip install Flask and hit enter. Okay, so our Flask has been installed. Now let's create a app for our Flask. Okay, you can open it in any IDE or you can open it in any notepad, and let's paste it. Okay, so I have copied it. I will be opening a notepad. Okay, I will be giving it its name as app.py and I will be pasting this code, save, close. So our project app has been created. So if you see here, Flask, we are importing it, we are creating app name, app instance, then we are creating a root, okay, in which we will be returning hello world. Okay, okay, now it's time to run the Flask app. So python app.py and hit enter. Okay, so our Flask app is running successfully, and if you go on this, you will find hello world. So this is how we can create a app in our Flask app in our projects. Okay, so please refer this blog. You can find it on studygyan.com. Links will be in description. You can also refer to my blogs, which is on Django, Spring Boot, data science, Python as well. Thank you.